Alright, I got the screen back on. It works. Unfortunately, I messed up the center of the screen, but I mean, it still works, so there it goes. I gotta hook up the speakers and then all of the all the paneling and whatnot. So there we go. Here, let me turn off the light. So yeah, it works, but it's not perfect. What can you do? Replace the LEDs on it. The first time ever doing it on this TV. A friend gave it to me. Family, friends. So got to put it back together and have a working TV. Maybe throw this one in the garage or something. We'll find a use for it. $38, $40 repair.